In this video, I want to talk about how you can make money from eToro. Now, there are a few different ways that you can do this. The first one is obviously to invest, and if you're good with stocks and good at investing, you can make some good money. Now, keep in mind, for many people, this will take many years to become good at, so it's not something you can just become good at overnight. The second one is using the copy trader. So if you're not very good at trading, you can find people who are really good at trading and investing. So you can see this guy right here has a 73% return in 24 months. So if you go into here, you can see these are his years. And what you can do is simply press on copy. Then you're going to copy his trades and you don't have to do it yourself. Now, the last method that you can make some money is if you're an eToro partner. Now, this is if you have some sort of blog or website, any kind of fan base or something. So for eToro partners, you're gonna get money whenever someone clicks on your link. So if you have a blog about investing and you are the eToro partner, if someone reads your blog and they click on the link that you put in there, you're gonna get money. So that is basically how it works, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.